Here's how to make a Game Pass in Roblox Mobile. Now, if you're on an iPhone or an Android and you wanted to create your own Game Pass, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's open up a web browser. Keep in mind, if you do have Roblox open, the app, you need to open up a web browser instead. So on Safari or Google Chrome, we're going to go to create.roblox.com. Again, create.roblox.com. And from here, you need to log into your account. So you can see at the very top, I'm already logged in. And now I will go through the process of creating that Game Pass. Now I'm going to tap on the three lines at the top left, and then I'm going to go to Creations, the second option. From here, you can see I have Carolina 10's Place. You can choose whichever creation you want on here, or you can always create a new one if you want. So I'm going to tap on this one. And now that I'm in here, I need to create the pass for it. So I'm going to tap on the three lines at the top left again. And then I'm just going to scroll down until I get to passes. You can see under monetization, tap on passes, and then just hit create a pass. If you've never set up a pass before, you can change the image that you want, or you can just use the default one. Now on here, I'm going to name this. I'm going to just name it pass. And I can put a description if I wanted to and hit create pass. Now, after I've done that, I'm going to tap on that pass that I just created because you can see if I swipe over, it says off sale. So I'm going to tap on it to open it up here. And from here, I'm going to tap on those three lines at the top left and then tap on sales. From here, finally, I can set the item for sale, and for default I can set this as a price of say 20 Robux, and I can have regional pricing turned on as well if I want to, and hit save changes. Now after I've done all that, essentially this pass is live, and after I go through that process, I can always go back out of here, tap on those three lines at the top left, tap on this pass here to open it up, or tap on the three dots next to it and hit copy asset ID. If I wanted to copy that asset ID, I can always do so or go back to the passes. And if you wanted to as well, you can scroll over on this pass, tap on the three dots next to it, and you can copy the URL for that pass if you wanted to just open it up. So if I say I want to paste in that URL, I can hit paste and go, and it will take me directly to that pass. For whatever reason, it looks like that is not working right now, but essentially you can share that pass with anyone else. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.